Alright, this is a test of my new Azden WM-PRO wireless microphone with a lavalier. I want to see how it works from different distances. So this is from about 5 feet or so. Test, test, test. This is a distance of about 20 feet or so. Test, test, test. This is a test of channel 1 of my Azden WM-PRO wireless microphone from about 20 feet or so. I'm going to keep walking back and talking and see what the range is like, see how well it holds up. There's a pretty good crosswind here. Not much ambient noise, but there is a good sized crosswind, so it'll be an interesting test to see how this works. So I'm just about, let's see, I'm about 75, I'm about 90 feet away now. Talking at a normal voice level. We'll have to see how well this works. I guess I'll back out all the way to the edge of the infield, which is probably at least 100 feet, maybe 120 feet or so. So I'm about 120 feet away, testing this on channel 1. I want to see how well this works. So I'm going to start walking in, keep talking at a normal level and see how this works. I've got the microphone clipped about 6 inches below my mouth. I'm talking straight ahead, looking into the camera, so that's another thing I want to test. Again, there's pretty good wind here. After I do this, I'm going to switch to channel 2, see if there's any difference between the two channels. So I'm going to, about 3 feet away now, switching to channel 2. There's channel 2, I've got green light. So here's channel 2 from about 6 feet away, talking at a normal voice level with a pretty good crosswind. It'll be interesting to see if there's any buffeting. I gotta check and make sure this thing's recording. I think it is. Yeah, it's recording right now. So this is me behind it. So I'm gonna go out to about, this is about 20 feet away, talking at a normal level on a crosswind. And then I'll do the same thing on channel 2. I'll back out all the way to the edge of the infield while I'm talking. About 50 feet now, 70 feet. It said the range of this thing is 250 feet. I'll have to see whether that's actually the case or not. And the camera I'm using is a Canon HV30 shooting in high definition mode. It's a dual mode camera that can shoot both standard definition mini DV tapes and then high definition mini DV tapes. So this is me again about 120, 130 feet away. It'll be interesting to see whether this shows up well, how well. The range of this thing is supposed to be 250 feet. I may go out a little farther and see exactly how far this thing will work. I don't know whether it makes a difference whether I'm facing the camera or not. But so now I'm probably in the neighborhood of 200 feet away. It'll be interesting to see whether this works. So here's 200 feet, channel 2. 175 feet, channel 2. 150 feet. 125 feet. 100 feet. 75 feet. About 50 feet away.